Don't you hate when you get interrupted in the middle of things? Gosh. Oh well. So we are going to draw our barrier. We are going to circle our term with our variable. And this again is like what I was saying, where if you want to flip the order because it looks weird. So we've talked about this before. When we flip, I don't mean literally write this backwards. Let's keep it 3x plus 6. We have to flip our sign. The alligator mouth was opened up to the 3x plus 6, so it still needs to stay that way. And then on the other side, we have 30. Okay? Draw my barrier, circle the thing I want to get alone. The opposite of 6 is minus 6 on both sides. That cancels out. I have 3x is greater than 24. Divide by 3. Let's do the easy part first. That's x. That's 8. Did we multiply or divide by a negative number? No. We divided by a positive number. So our sign is going to stay in the same exact position. Okay? So just like on Monday, when we graph it, maybe for you, it would be easier to put the 8 somewhere in the middle. Maybe that's how it needs to work for some of you. And then from there, I'm going to go up on the number line, and I'm going to go down on the number line. Okay? I will draw my circle on the 8. Is 9 greater than 8, or is 7 greater than 8? 9's greater than 8. So our arrow needs to go to the right. Okay? And again, if you're one of those people that knows what the heck is going on and you want to keep going, I have no problem with that. Just make sure your notes get filled out. So let's look at the next one. 32 is greater than or equal to 5x minus 3. Again, let's move that around. So 5x minus 3. The alligator mouth opens up to the 32, so I need to keep it opened up to the 32. Draw my barrier, circle the thing I want to get alone. The inverse of minus 3 is plus 3 on both sides. 5x less than or equal to 35. Divide by 5. X is less than or equal to 7. Again, I'm going through solving it quickly just because we know how to solve two-step equations. It's this part. And in this one, I'm dividing by a positive, so my sign doesn't flip. So again, let's put the 7 in the middle. For some of us, that may be our best bet. And then I'll go up to the right of that 7. Oopsies. And down to the left of the 7. Oopsies, that should be a 5. Okay. Plot my 7. Is 6 less than 7 or is 8 less than 7? 6, so it's going to go to the left. Are we done? Good. We should color this in as well. It has the line underneath it. Okay, so that's what you should have for that one. Now let's go on to the next one. See, these aren't too bad, are they? Again, let's pull this around. The alligator mouth opens up to the -4, so we need to make sure that it stays open to the -4 when we flip that way. Barrier, isolate, inverse, operation. Again, this is the stuff that I was seeing issues with when I was looking at that stuff. What is -4 minus 8? Same signs means you need to add them, so this should be -12. Divide by 3. That leaves me with 1. That leaves me with -4. Did I multiply or divide by a negative number? Nope. So my sign stays the same. Put my -4 in the middle. Go up towards 0 on the right. Go down. More negative on the left. Let's circle my -4. And is -5 less than -4? Or is -3 less than -4?
Morning, teachers. This is just another reminder for those of you that just got into the building that Teachers Treasures is set up in the LGI. Please be sure to swing by and get yourself some supplies. Thank you.
All right. It is -5, or -3 is less than -4. So it needs to go to the right. And is that circle need to be filled in or stay open? Needs to stay open. Wait. I did that wrong. Goes the other way. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay. X, -5 is less than -4. Yeah. I had it, and then I second guessed myself. That's why I struggled through. All right. So, in this one, we have to change our sign to the other way. The alligator mouth opened up towards the 8 plus 6x, so make sure that stays. The inverse here, keep my sign, divide by 6, and you do not multiply or divide by a negative number, so you keep it. On our graph, let's put -1 in the middle. Go towards 0 on the right. Go towards -2 on the left. Plot my -1. And is -2 greater than -1, or is 0 greater than -1? 0. So this time you go to the right and it should be filled in because the line underneath it.